A unique residence where history and site-inspired design come together in harmony. This is Curvilinear Serenity, a home where the restoration approach celebrates the neighborhood's heritage, preserving the charm of the old house amid the growing trend of replacing traditional structures with larger, modern homes. Located in Garðabær, Iceland, a rapidly developing area, the house was originally built in the 1970s and has been completely renovated by local firm ARG Architects. Instead of demolishing and starting over, the choice was to restore with care, respect, and sensitivity to the memory of the neighborhood and the surrounding landscape. Every aspect of the design was influenced by the site's past, with the ecosystem becoming an integral part of the structure. During the roofing process, a habitat for bees and birds was discovered. This led to the extension of the roof to create a welcoming environment for wildlife, promoting biodiversity. With a focus on sustainability, materials from the site and the original house were reused, minimizing waste and embracing eco-conscious practices. Right at the entrance, one of the home's most striking elements sets the tone: a curved rammed earth wall made from excess soil excavated for the new piping system. More than structural, this wall brings texture and warmth to the interior and symbolizes the connection between past and present. The material palette reinforces the home's original intent. Bright, serene interiors contrast with the existing steel frame, painted black and yellow. The kitchen and utility areas are oriented toward a small front garden. The layout is compact, yet nothing feels confined. The sense of space comes from architectural gestures, not square footage. At the heart of the house, the design revolves around three symbolic curves: earth, fire, and tree, references to what existed before the house and what still pulses beneath and around it. These forms invite reflection and establish an organic rhythm where everyday life flows naturally. The other two soft curves appear in key areas, one at the center of the kitchen, and another embracing a short staircase that connects the sunken living room to the rest of the house. The result is a fluid path where spaces seem to shape themselves around movement, rather than the other way around. The main living area, partially set below the rest of the house, opens onto a south-facing patio that connects directly to the backyard. Glass doors subtly blend indoors and out. On the opposite side, large horizontal windows flood the three bedrooms with natural light, even during Iceland's short winter days. Paving stones from the original house were creatively reused to form a cozy built-in sofa around the fireplace, seamlessly integrating natural elements into the living space. The bedrooms are arranged along the north facade, ensuring thermal comfort and privacy. Outside, textured concrete defines the facades, while the use of local, recycled, and repurposed materials reinforces the sustainable approach throughout. More than just a renovation, Curvilinear Serenity is a statement of values, a home that listens to its place, honors what came before, and proposes a new way of living, one that balances history, nature, and time.